Okay, this is a conversion of the 144001 to a 124019 parts supplied by Midwest_RC. They're also in our Wltoys Facebook groups. Ready, you see I have the mid shaft in. The original mid shaft is at the bottom. I have the steel gear, I didn't remove that. And now I put in the 124019 mid shaft with the two gearboxes on each end. Next is the chassis. Okay, chassis on. All the holes of the 124019 chassis to gearbox holes line up, front and rear, even the little guide pinholes. Let me flip it over. I'm pretty much almost done with my conversion of 144001 to 124019. It rolls, everything's smooth. Okay, next thing I gotta do is put the top brace, my servo. Oh, and also Midwest in their kit supplies a 124019 body with the wing. He's on Facebook and he's on eBay. You go to Midwest_RC, and he's a US stock of Wltoys parts. So no more waiting for a month and weeks to get your Wltoys parts. He has them in stock. I mean, I happened upon him after seeing the videos on YouTube, and he was offering a kit on Facebook. It got here in 4 days ahead of schedule, and I'm happy with the quality and with the speedy shipping. I'm not being paid to say this, but I consider him as a friend and a supplier now. All right, I want to show you the finished product. I still have the 144001. I wish they would give these names. I'm tired of saying the numbers. Shocks on, which I have to take resistance off. All right, next will be the top brace and all the other goodies and the motor. Sorry. Okay, good idea. Keep it loose when you're attaching the chassis, so you could get this back cover on underneath. Okay, you know, the screws out of the rear gearbox. It's easy to slip it in and out. So I just took it out. I'll slip it in. All right, then I'll screw everything together and be back with you once I have the motor in. Okay, I want to show you difference in size in the chassis. Right now I have the 124019 chassis on with the gearboxes from the 144001. Now this is the chassis right on top from the 144001. You could see there's a significant size difference, okay, lengthwise, and a little bit widthwise. So, but the length is really going to add to stability. Now I'm going to flip it over. Got my servo in. Got my brushed motor. This is an old, ancient, oh my God. Before some of yous were into RC. I wish they still made these. This is a Tower Hobbies Speed Secret. Let me see if I can move in. Machine wound modified 14 turn. This was back in the day of Associates and Lucy. This is a quad wound armature. It produces RPMs of upwards of 40,000 RPM. So, haven't tried it yet, but I have it in here. Wish me luck. But worked good in the basement. Okay, I want to get the top rail on, get the body on, so you can see how it looks. Okay, these are the parts I took out. The center shaft of the 144-001. I'm going to call it 01 for now. The top deck from the 01. The chassis from the 01. Body and wing. Let me move the screwdriver. Okay, so now you see I have the back wing on. Chassis, top shaft, servo motor. Got the red shocks from the 01. The black tires that look kind of cool. And right next to it is my other one, my 01, which is kind of cramped with electronics and stuff. I'm going to unpack my newly received 19019, and I'm going to compare it to the conversion. Okay, that's my brand new out of the box Wltoys 019. Right here is my conversion. Boy, they look pretty similar. Let's do a side-by-side comparison. Okay, that's the 19. And this is the 01. Now, there was a review saying that the shocks are better, which I'm going to agree on the 019. Because the 01 has more bounce in it, while the 19, because it just goes plop the way it should. Front view, I have my shock set different for a lower angle, and of course my rear's towed out the way it shouldn't be. I gotta lessen the springs, but there's a trick I want you to all know about. See, you're all doing high speed runs, and you're not getting the top speed you should, because look at these rear tires. They're towed in. The reason why they're towed in is for when you make turns. You make turns and you want that traction to go when you turn. Okay, what I did in my 01, my two 01s, my tires are straight. What you're gonna have to do is back here, these plastic stays right here, these pin stays, they're set to produce toe in. So the hole is here. You're going to push them out, turn them around so the hole is closer towards the body right here. So when you look at the bottom, look at my pins, the way they go. You could tell the pin is closer. Now, on the 19, see where the pin is going on an angle. This side to the left, this side to the right. Here, it's nearly straight. You're not gonna get tire rubbing here. Your tires will be straight, and you'll be able to get more miles per hour. Well, I'm happy with the conversion. Let me put them like this. Oh, the body fell off. My 019, my converted 01. Just want to see now how I gotta put my electronics in on the 19. There you go. Plenty of room. Well, they combine the receiver and the speed controller right here. Got the battery on that side. I got plenty of landscape, plenty of room. I could use a full-size lipo here. Just work it out. I could put my speed controller here, and right up here, I could put my receiver. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this conversion. Remember, I got this complete kit, 70 US, from Midwest_RC on eBay. He has US stock of Wltoys parts. You probably hear from me after I do some testing. I'm not really a speed run guy, but I'm hoping it goes fast. And also when I get my my 1040-001, that's going to be the next big one. Somebody at Wltoys got a raise. I'm sure of that.